Hello, hello, welcome back to Jillies Nails. Today we are going to do a very cute little winter snowy bird mani. I bought these plates a year or so ago from Cici and SiSi. I believe they are no longer in business, but they did these really cute acrylic plate sets, um, and I'm gonna use those to make the bird. It's a layered stamp. Color is woolly from Maniology, and what I'm going to do, because this is layered, is go in with the first coat of woolly as a base. And the look I was going for with these birds, kind of like a sparrow. And I'll just be honest with you, on the front end, I think that was a mistake. I think I should have picked some brighter colors, but I had hoped that some things would pop a little bit more. I still think it's cute, so don't get me wrong. It's just not quite what I envisioned in my head, and sometimes that's how it works out. I am not one of those people who sits down and plans my nail art, and I just see it in my head and think through, like, how can I do this? That's literally my process to everything. So I'm not one of those people who practice everything first so that it looks perfect before. No, not me. I just go, this idea has been driving me crazy. I have to do it. And that's what happens. Unfortunately, this was during the sessions that I was having a hard time keeping my daggum fingers in frame. But I'm going in over it with a color called Snow Drift. And that is for the head and the kind of the breast area of the bird. And this is going to be his little face. I did not love how the face and the legs came out on this. I'm not sure if maybe the plate was a little bit flooded in hindsight, because to me it looks a lot sharper on the actual plate than it came out when I stamped it. So I'm gonna have to play with that a little bit more and see. But that company doesn't exist anymore anyway. So if you find something similar that's different winter birds, I would definitely try it, and see how it works for you, because I think it's super cute, and really you could use this any time of year, just by changing the color of the bird feathers. So I do think it is a cute set and a neat idea. I was very glad I found it, and it was the only plate set where I could find it, and I paid entirely too much money for it because of that. So we're going to go in and put some snowy glitter all across the kind of cherry blossoms that I've got going on, which I know cherry blossoms and snow don't always match, but I like the color scheme, so I did what I wanted. And I'm going to put a top coat on first. It is a quick dry top coat, and just to make sure I have everything locked in, and that it's dry, fully dry. And then I just kind of went around the edges again with a very light coat and tapped it from the lid back into the container over my nail. I just wanted to give a little bit of a snow effect. And I live in Arkansas. I mean, we do have cardinals in the winter as well, and I have a nesting pair in my yard. I love them. But I don't know, I just think it might have been cuter if I had done some brighter colors on it. I still like how it looks overall. I like how it kind of just has a little touch of frost to it. And it honestly, it looks better in person. I don't know why it's not translating well on film, but it looks cuter in person, and I do think it came out okay. It's not my favorite mani ever, but I do like it. And then I'm going in with this amazing hollow polish. If you look in my video for the year-end favorites and fails, this one was definitely in there as a favorite. I'll put a card up for you to click on in case you want to go check out that favorite and fails video. There's a lot of good info in there. And I forgot, this glitter, you kind of have to play with the placement on it because the glitter itself is very chunky. So you do have to kind of tap it around and play with it. But this is the design all completely done. I really hope you like it. What colors would you have picked for the bird? Let me know below. And I would really appreciate it if you would click on the bell so that you get notified when I have a new video. Subscribe, share it with your friends. Please give it a like and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Goodbye.